innovation, technology, and efficiency. Rich Haoyuan, a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. Focus on research and development of various nickel and lithium battery packs. Provide customers with a one-stop power solution. The company was founded in Shenzhen with a manufacturing center of 6,000 square meters and 170 employees in 2013. With the increase in market demand, Rich Haoyuan set up a branch factory in Dongguan in 2018, covering an area of 12,000 square meters. 150 employees, including 20 R&D engineers in this team of more than 300 people. At present, 99% Rich Haoyuan's products are exported to Europe, the United States, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and other countries and regions. We have warehouses in Japan, the United States, and Australia to deliver goods locally. Become the world's leading supplier of alternative battery solutions. Since its establishment, Rich Haoyuan has been eagerly pursuing technology innovation and demanding product quality. After completing the quality oversight, Rich Haoyuan has obtained certificates such as CE, UL, ROS, MSDS. Professional R&D team, learn production process, advanced professional equipment, leading industry with high quality, high efficiency. According to different needs, we provide tailor-made services for customers from the shape to the use-in. Products are widely used in power tools, outdoor products, medical equipment, and other projects from the customer's exact needs, truly tailored. Using Rich Haoyuan's patent-printed wiring board to fundamentally control product quality and help customers reduce production costs. The 18,000 square meters production center and the efficient production team of more than 300 people not only ensure the time of product production and shipment, but also flexibly adjust the shipping time according to the needs of customers to ensure product quality. Rich Haoyuan accumulates market experience and provide market advice and solutions for new and existing customers to help customers capture the market faster. During the use, any product quality problems can be changed at any time. This is our commitment and the confidence of product. Provide customers with a peace of mind, comprehensive sales services. Rich Haoyuan adheres to the principle of the good faith cooperation, providing customers with innovative, high-value products and forming a win-win situation. In the future, we will create higher quality requirements and better service quality to create benefits for our customers. Creates the value of Rich Haoyuan brand by riding the wind and breaking the waves.